So I wanted to quickly share with you something really useful that will change your workflow, the way you use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to get the output. For example, this is a list builder, and I asked ChatGPT to just give me a list builder. I wanted a feature to write down something in a notepad format, and with a one click of a button, it gives me bullet points or checklist. I like checking off the checklist. It gives me a satisfaction that I've done something. Might not be the case with you, but I personally like it. So I created a tool. I just asked it and it gave me the tool. Now the functionality of the tool is good enough because I asked it to just give me what I was looking for. And here is the checklist, the same functionality, but it looks much better. And I got the same output from the same model of ChatGPT. Only difference is the prompt. The prompt for this one was much detailed. So let me show you which prompt gave me this beautiful looking checklist maker. So I asked ChatGPT to act as an expert in prompt engineering and give me a prompt that gets the best output from the free model or a normal AI model. And it gave me a detailed prompt. And when I used this prompt, it gave me a beautiful looking checklist. So this prompt will be working on any type of thing that you want to create. It will just enhance the performance of the normal ChatGPT model because it gives clear instructions to ChatGPT what to do, what not to do. You are getting the same. All the AIs will build something in the same way. The only difference would be how they are thinking or how they are approaching it. So if you give them clear instructions, then it will be doing a better job at it, like you can see here. Now, what I can do here is I can save this, copy this and save this in my notes or anywhere. But most of the time, whenever I have saved something anywhere, I have trouble finding it again. So I built a prompt manager for myself where I have saved all my prompts that I can reuse it. You can find it in techtippr.com/products area. This is the prompt manager. This will take you to Gumroad and here you can purchase it. After purchasing, you will be given a key, license key. And this prompt manager works locally, which means that all your prompts will be saved on your browser. I will be coming up with more functionalities like a sync where you can create an account and then it will be available across all the devices. For now, it will be on your computer because most of the time your work will be on your computer or on your mobile phone. For example, this is my prompt manager where I have saved almost everything, every reusable prompt that I have come across, which gives me better output. I go here, I create on new, give it a title, paste my prompt here and categorize it. So it is categorized nicely. Like I have productivity, I have content prompt, and when I have to use it, I just open and just copy and it gets copied and I put it in ChatGPT or any other tool where I am working. So thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you find this useful. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.